Operation Udoka sustained offensive posture throughout the week under review. Between 8th to 13th October, they conducted offensive operations and arrested a suspected IPOB PSN terrorist commander identified as Gentle, who was on troops wanted list along 8 other criminals in Owerri West and Maitoli local government areas of Imo State, as well as Izi and Abochukwu local government area of Imo State.
Greetings, consensus people of the world and lovers of freedom. I want to use this medium to address Biafrans of the misinformation and propaganda of Nigerian terrorist army through their agents. Before I proceed, I want to appreciate the good office of Major General Gentle the Yahoo and other generals who have given me the privilege and the opportunity to update the people of Biafra, both home and diaspora.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, people of Biafra. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Today being 17th of October 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see in this highlight, the Nigerian army has confirmed that they have arrested Gentle the Yahoo, that he is alive in their custody. But I don't just understand. Last time they said that they eyed Gentle and Angel Makeup, and today they are saying that they have arrested Gentle, that he is alive in their custody. No video, no picture yet. Well, the second highlight is the Biafran Liberation Army, who has replaced Angel Makeup. So in this news, you can see that he said conscientious people of Biafra. That is the way Angel Makeup used to address Biafrans. So this guy now is the new replacement for Angel Makeup in giving us details of things that is happening in the land of Biafra. Now watch the news in details, how it goes.
Greetings, consensus people of the world and lovers of freedom. I want to use this medium to address Biafrans of the misinformation and propaganda of Nigerian terrorist army through their agents. Before I proceed, I want to appreciate the good office of Major General Gentle the Yahoo and other generals who have given me the privilege and the opportunity to update the people of Biafra, both home and diaspora. I want Biafrans to understand that the Biafran Defense Forces, Biafra Resistance Fighters, and Biafra Liberation Armies, they are peaceful. They are well coordinated. I want to use this medium to urge Biafrans to disregard every propaganda from the enemies of Biafrans against the evil plots of Mazi General Gentle the Yahoo and Angel Makeup. Even though I have not heard anything from them, on that basis, or on the basis of their illness or treatment of our generals over the poison that was given to them. We are only fighting to defend our motherland, which is the land of the rising sun, the land we so love and cherish. Listen and listen attentively. This is a message to Biafrans in Lagos regards to the businesses and the uphill they are facing in regards to their businesses and their business premises. This message is coming to you from the office of Chief of Armed Forces of Biafran land, in the person of the Triple General Igwe Butuzo, that every Biafrans in diaspora, that is within the Gwagwajeria, within. Secondly, message to Biafrans in Lagos. Regards to the demolition and the destruction of your businesses and your business premises. And this message is coming to you from the office of the Chief of Armed Forces of Biafran, in the person of Triple General Igwe Butuzo, that every Biafrans in Lagos, in the north, and all parts of Nigeria should start coming home before it is too late. Come home and invest at home. I'm assuring you, and I want to assure you, under the power and the authority of Igwe Butuzo and the Major General Gentle the Yahoo and all generals of Biafran Defense Forces, Biafran Resistance Fighters, and Biafran Liberation Army. In assurance, they are assuring you that Biafrans and Biafran land will be secured, that the life and properties of Biafrans at home, in spite of all evil agendas of the Southeast politicians and the Islamic agenda against the Biafran nation, we want you to come back home. There's no place like home. We are ready to defend you, to secure your lives and your properties. That is what we are bound for, according to the Triple General. Musa. Finally, in regards to the upcoming protest of Sowore campaign on the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from DSS terrorist dungeon, that Biafran Defense Force are encouraging all Biafrans to join hands on this protest coming up on the 20th of October 2025. Using this medium to intimate all Biafrans, lovers of freedom, of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to come in mass to support Sowore on this divine protest. One thing is certain, and one thing I want you to know for sure, is that the reason for insecurity in Biafran land is our Southeast politicians. They don't want peace to be in Southeast. That is why they don't want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Believe me or not, the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu on the 20th of October 2025 will bring automatic peace in Southeast, not only in Southeast, but in Africa at large. I am so glad for the privilege and opportunity given to me by General Butuzo and Major General Gentle the Yahoo and other major generals of Biafran land, based on the Igbo marginalization, demolition of Biafran business premises. It is the right time for the international communities and the Finnish government to understand those who are responsible of insecurity of Southeast are Igbo politicians, senators, lawyers, judges, and religious leaders, who are indirectly and directly fighting against the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm urging Biafrans to pray fervently to the quick recovery of Major General Gentle, the Yahoo, and other generals who were hospitalized through the poison given to them.
I told you people, no criminal will reign forever. It's just a matter of time. Your time will come and your time will go. Every day is for criminal, but one day, just one day, is for the owner. Ladies and gentlemen, the almighty Nigeria Army have managed to arrest Gentle and 8 others with some children. In all, I told them that their reign of terror will not last forever. The few untouchable, I cited some example for them. I told them of Donwani. I told them of Delico. I told them of Osisi Kampo and some other criminals. Today, Alpha, Gentle is gone. And you are still inside bush, believing that you will win. You can't win Nigerian security.
Troops of Operation Udoka sustained offensive posture throughout the week under review. Between 8th to 13th October, they conducted offensive operations and arrested a suspected IPOB PSA terrorist commander identified as Gentle, who was on troops wanted list along 8 other criminals in Owerri West and Maitoli local government areas of Imo State, as well as Izi and Abochukwu local government area of Ikodi State. Some weapons, ammunition, and vehicles were also recovered from them. Additionally, a female IPOB ASN collaborator, who also was believed to be one of their logistics suppliers, was arrested in Umunochi, local government area of Abia State, on 13th October 2025. During the arrest, 3 children, whose investigation revealed were biological children to a wanted IPOB PSA leader identified as Madlobuchi Wampo, otherwise known as Emergency, were found in her custody. It was further revealed that the terrorist leader is also...
So Biafrans, this is one of the Biafran Liberation Army in Iseke, aka Evil Mind. In this video, Evil Mind exposed the commanders of the Ebube Ago, how they are treating people in Iseke and how they are enjoying themselves in a hotel, forming a cult group or thereabouts. He even mentioned their names. He said that very soon that the people of Biafra will know who is who are the real freedom fighters. But if you watch very closely in this video, you can see the write-ups here in this video. These are the people of Iseke, like the associations of Iseke who are working against the Biafra Liberation Army. They wrote this thing in this video against this guy called Ebuka, aka Evil Mind. They are calling on the government of Anambra State to come and arrest the guy, to come and flush out the guy. But the guy no send. This Biafra Liberation Army guy no send anybody. He did gragra. He even said that with this stuff in his hands, that he is ready and waiting for anybody that will come to capture him. The Biafra Liberation Army guy no send anybody. I can tell you, no send anybody. I can tell you, he no send anybody at all.
Bago people, Shido and Shegera and the Pekin will carry pump the patrol. Tell her that if I get him, oh, he die. Omo Biafra, oh, here I am. No one there in a hotel there. My mom, Bago Charles, I go my. I am not Zaira. Double freedom fighter. This is me, Evil Man. Kule. Amune. This is me, the best man. Yeah, okay. Thank God. This is called thank God. Bob and this will feel love, eh? I am here with This is called thank God. Now here I can, eh? This is thank God. Here I can, eh? You collect that. Auto. So one look on. If you want to try me, come close. Make I use this thank God. Huh? Diminish your family and your relation. Ilano. So make it clear. All these Bubago people, Shido and the Shegera and the Pekin, will carry pump the patrol. Tell her that if I get him, huh? Oh, he die. Huh? So, Omo Biafra, huh? Oh, here can I no one there in a hotel, there, my own bago chos, I go my. I am not the island. Double field on fighter. This is me, Eversman, aka. Huh? So that is it.
So these are the Ebube Ago guys in a hotel enjoying themselves as Evil Mind accused them. See them in the hotel enjoying themselves.
No man interfere.
But just listen to the associations of Iseke groups, what they said or how they labeled this Ebuka of a guy. Just hear what they said against him.
Okay, if you are looking at this video, we want to show this video to the general public and the entire Anambra. This is one of the guys, in fact, is the commander terrorizing Iseke, and he has shown himself and made a video of himself. These people, the government and the community, everybody have been begging them to come and take amnesty for over 1 year. Yet, nothing is being done. They don't want to take the amnesty. They are still terrorizing the town. Second is under siege because of this young man you are looking at this place. One irony here is that these guys, they are using a permanent number. If you call them any day, anytime, they will pick your call and talk to you. Are you telling me that this guy you are looking at this on this place now is bigger than the government of Anambra State? If they cannot get him, then let them get him alive. Already a lot of people have died in our town, and we don't want other people to continue dying. Let them get him and ask him what is his problem, or let him come out from here and say what is his problem. Seke is under siege. Seke is being terrorized every minute. They have refused to accept the amnesty. Government have refused to do what they're supposed to do. This is Ebuka Nwobobuz, popularly known as Ebuka Nwobobuz. He's here terrorizing and leashing threat to the guys and his brothers in Iseke.
Ngozi Arabeze and the what's that his name again? Ogen Kene. Yes, both of them are now speaking in one mind. They are supporting this protest for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why Ngozi Arabeze is saying that the United States of Biafra must do everything possible to also free Simon Ekpa down there in Finland, and she is not happy the way the Senate President Akpabio is defending the buying of Christians in Nigeria, because according to her, she said that the Senate President is planning to come down to America to tell the United States of America that what is going on, it is not a fight against Christians, that he's trying to cover the atrocities of the government or the jihadis that is going on in Nigeria. So Ngozi Arabeze is not happy with that, because she and her team wants to help and expose the atrocities of how the herdsmen or all these bandits are buying Christians, innocent Christians in Nigeria. But the fact remains that Ogen Kene is speaking and backing up Showore for the protest of the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same goes to Ngozi Arabeze. If all these things can join hands together, I'm telling you, if all the platforms, or will I say all the groups or our organizations that are fighting for Biafra, if all of them can come together and join hands together, guys, I can tell you that this Biafra will come as fast as possible.
Nnamdi Kanu, send this message to Sowore. We are solemnly behind him. Carry on. Anybody that come to fight for humanity, anyone that rise up to fight, to free oppressed people, to free innocent people, to free marginalized people, will support you. Yes, because that is the right thing to do. Sowore Gunwaka, the Biafran Republic government in exile, and the entire Biafran people support your efforts, support you. You already show that this protest, you will be the champion of the protest. We are behind you. Anything that will work to free the Biafran people and their leader, we will support that. We cannot be against our own freedom. Send this message to Sowore. Yes, he has a question to answer. The question is that, Sowore, are you ready? Are you ready to lead the protest on the 20th of this month, in a few days' time? We support you. All those people, all the illegitimate governor from Oti that is still parading himself as a governor in Abia State, to Mba, Peter Mba, to Soludo, to Hopozadim. Are you people ready to support the protest? Because there's a lot of time, too much lies from Oti that they are negotiating with Nigerian terrorist government. Mba, if you ask Mba, Mba will tell you they are in talk with Nigerian government. You ask this, what's his name again? Soludo, the same thing. You ask Hopozadim, the same thing.
I saw Senator Akpabio trying to say, oh, he's going to come to America to tell America he's going to appoint people to come to America to tell them that the killing in Nigeria is not about religion, killing about Christians. What lie? This is the kind of fools you have that are making the world a very dangerous place. This Senator Akpabio, this this murderer, this man that kills, that supports the policy that kill Christians in Nigeria, say he's going to come to America to talk to American legislators that the killing in Nigeria is not about religion, that these terrorists are killing everyone. No, that is a lie. Senator Akpabio is the one that initiated the policy to reintegrate ISIS, Boko Haram, ISWAP into Nigeria, give them bank accounts, give them NIN numbers, give them BIB numbers or BVN numbers to open accounts to kidnap thousands of Christians, thousands of undergraduates, kidnap them into the bushes where they demand ransom that run into thousands before they release those indigenous Nigerian citizens. America, do not ever allow somebody like Senator Akpabio cross the boundary of America. And I promise you, Biafrans will be waiting for him to step into the United States to bring that lie into America. We are waiting for you, Akpabio. Get ready with your people and come. You cannot carry such danger that you manufacture inside that zoo called Nigeria. You cannot carry it across Nigeria. Akpabio is part of those people that approved the policy to reintegrate non-terrorists into Nigeria. What is he talking about? Such a liar. Yes, the killing of Christians in Nigeria is engineered by the policy of Akpabio, who is the current sitting senator in the delegitimized Nigerian state. He is part of the whole process. He supported the reintegration of non-terrorists into Nigeria. These non-terrorists are the ones killing indigenous Nigerian Christians. They are the ones killing indigenous Nigerian Muslims. It is this Senator Akpabio. He is the main evil in that entity called Nigeria. So when they come out on, anyway, I don't even know who is believing their lies anymore, because they lie, this type of lies that Senator Akpabio, the Nigerian Senator Akpabio, is lying to the public. But I know that while he was saying those words, he knew that he looked so stupid on air. Because no one, no genuine Nigerian, no genuine Biafran believes him. Even no international leader would allow anyone from Nigerian government to come into their office or do any business with them. Nigeria must be designated as a country of special interest with all the sanctions that comes with that. That must happen. If that does not happen, they will continue to kill Christians in Nigeria by the second, by the minute. It does not affect Akpabio. As long as he continues to sell Nigerian crude oil to his allies and collect the money and buy houses in Europe and America, in Dubai, all over, it does not affect them. It is the people that are suffering. So Akpabio, shame on you to lie to the world that the killing, the mass murder of Christians in the Nigerian state is not caused by your policy. Yes, it's caused by your policy to reintegrate non-terrorists into Nigeria. But thank God the United States of Biafra has been declared as a sovereign nation, and we do not want any part of that in our new nation. They can continue to deceive their lives in that enclave called Nigeria. I want to use this opportunity. Like I've said, we welcome the march being organized by Showore for our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. And all of us heard when Showore has said the response he tried to get from the delegitimized Southeast governors and South governors was very abysmal. That means they don't want to be part of that. Because the Southeast, the delegitimized Southeast governors forcefully, currently occupying Biafra land are part of the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is dying. They want Nnamdi Kanu dead. All of them. Forget it. Let's see how they are going to do the march. Let us see how their response is going to be. That shows the world that the delegitimized Southeast and South governors forcefully currently occupying Biafra land. They must leave Biafra land. I promise you, they will leave. We will make them leave. They and their politicians that support the Nigerian state. The United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation that was declared on November 29, 2024 in Latin Finland, when over 50 million Biafrans, through a self-referendum, has voted to exit Nigeria. That has been accomplished. That has been done. What we are doing now is protecting our land and creating our allies. And I want to tell Biafrans, while we are working to ensure that we protect our land, there are some agents of the Nigerian state in Biafra land that continue to undermine the new nation, our beautiful nation, which we are already building, the United States of Biafra. There is no other government. One leadership, headed by our leader, our Prime Minister, Simon Eber, and my humble self, Dr. Rabwese. Anything outside this is fraud, and Biafrans have rejected that. So some of you can see the agents of the Nigerian state trying to fight our election, which is coming up on November the 4th, 2024. And the lockdown, voluntary lockdown of the whole Biafra land on November 8th by Biafrans. That lockdown will show those agents of Nigerian government that are pretending that they are Biafrans. The lockdown on November 8th will teach them a lesson they will never forget in their life. There are many lessons they are being taught every day. But this one, too, we will add it to the lesson they will learn to know that the United States of Biafra is a sovereign nation with one leader, Onyedu Nnamdi, one prime minister, and one deputy prime minister, Dr. Orabweze, who is at this point in charge of the whole Biafra land. The whole Biafra land, 98% of Biafra supports the leadership of the United States of Biafra government. Take it to the bank. Anyone telling you anything different is the agent of the Nigerian state. Take it to the bank. No other leadership. So these Nigerian agents may come in different ways. And Biafrans, I want you to watch out for them. They can come in different formats. One of them actually went to show the old picture of Onyedu Nnamdi during the last court hearing, saying that Nnamdi said, let me tell you, Biafrans and the world, Onyedu Nnamdi supports Dr. Orabweze 100%. Everything I do in this leadership is supported 100% by Onyedu Nnamdi, supported 100% by our Prime Minister, Simon Eber. Take it to the banks.
Yes.
I'm telling you, that is a fact. The distractors you see fighting the USB cabinet and fighting Dr. Orabweze are the same people that we are fighting Onyedu Nnamdi, the same people that we are fighting Simon Eber. Do that equation. Nothing more, nothing less. Onyedu Nnamdi is fully aware of what Dr. Orabweze is doing. Onyedu Nnamdi supports 100% of what Dr. Orabweze is doing. Do not let anyone deceive you. I want to use this opportunity to remember our Prime Minister, His Excellency, Edna Simon Njoku, who in the same manner, for the same reason, was taken by Finland, just because he objects to the killing of Christians in Nigeria, the killing of Christians in Biafra land. But the Nigerian terrorist state, Tinubu and Christopher Musa colluded with Alexander Starr to take him, thinking that will stop Biafra. They failed. The United States of Biafra has been declared. Nothing will stop. The protection, we will remove everything, Tinubu, everything Christopher Musa, everything Nigeria must leave Biafra land. They must leave Biafra land, starting with this election coming up on November the 4th. For the state of Ikemba, the state of Odumegwu, and the state of Omambala, we will take over the old Anambra state. Biafrans, we have taken over, I'm telling you, step by step, state by state, starting with the state of the old Anambra state. After November the 8th, the state of Ikemba, Odumegwu, and Omambala will be fully functional and active. There will be nothing like old Anambra state anymore. Biafrans will take over the old Anambra state after November the 8th. You will hear the sound of music. I'm promising you. So Biafrans, get ready. Get ready. We've taken over our first old state of Nigeria. We've taken it over after November the 8th. I'm telling you. So our Prime Minister, we adore you. You are our hero. Let no one be moved. Let no one be confused. Our Prime Minister, Simon Eber, is a noble Biafran man, noble leader of Biafrans. Over 80 million Biafrans adore him. He is our hero. Christopher Musa and Tinubu can fight all they want. They win. They've already failed. Nigeria is already a failed state. No one can stop this failure. And we tell our Prime Minister, Simon Eber, to be strong, to be resolute, do not be moved. For that which you seek, we already got. We got it. We are tying it up. Do not be moved. Nigeria must leave Biafra land. Currently, they are forcefully occupying our land. I am telling you, Biafrans will continue to defend our land, defend our people, and we will make Nigeria leave Biafra land, whether they like it or not. They must leave our land.
But because of all this division, because of all this scattered house, because of all this fighting each other, that is giving the enemy more stand to do or to penetrate and disorganize everyone. Well, what we are saying is, let there be peace in Biafran land. Enough is enough of buying people, innocent people. Enough is enough of buying innocent people. Enough is enough of shedding innocent bloods. Let there be peace. Yes, you. Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Biafrans, for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Like, and we interact in our comment section. Share this video. Share this video. Let this video go viral so that other people out there will get the information and know exactly what is going on right now in Biafran land. Thank you all. We love you. Bye.
Here need to clean up. This road needs to be clean. You need to put your sauce under. Yeah, popular around this zone. This place needs serious clean up. This is popular around this walk, Okigwe Road. Straight down is submitted. I swear. Buy the go, buy a job. Because when I had the Batawan, Batawan, this dog, to go in this dog, to go. I can buy a Batawan, this dog. I need to just this bush is in here. Yeah, rice. What is in here in the roof? Yeah, rice. This is acres of land. Rice is here. Watch here on this road. Popular on this road. The road. Uno Batawa. Because my brother's Batawa no can measure buy. Everywhere is bushy. Can cut off, can we make I want to take baby, man, big girl. I like my dad. I just walk with that place. If you are not going to buy, I'm just cleaning. I'm just cleaning. Man, that came here. Igbo code. This is proper. That came Igbo code around this road. Everywhere is fucking bushy. Needs to be cleaned up. Everywhere the fucking bushy. We need to clean this mess up. We need to clean here up. And we had a kidnapping out on this dog, I beg. Anybody not saying I like it now? Out on this dog. I need to clean everywhere up. I need people just see there's been in there now. I need to clean here. Clean here this place. But I shall die, I go. gbaa ya ọkụ ị nọrọ fe na-ahụ mmadụ iwe ndị zọ ị ga-ama ebe ndị a na ị ga-ama this checkpoint ị ga-ahụ bus stop anyị na-head Omilo Junction mmadụ na-asị gị na a na-ekidnapụzi ndị mmadụ na ndị zọ awa asị onwe dịka ikidnapụ ndị mmadụ inwe okeshọn ị ga-eme na ndị zọ ọgụ bịa mee okeshọn gị onwekwa ihe dịka ikidnapụ mmadụ again na this time I sanitize this time. This time has been sanitized. You have to go. Oh no, I can't do it. I can't do it. I have to go. Need to be nice to go. No, I have to go. Now what I have. So, mother not saying I need kidnap mother not on this off. I ain't make that. That's what I say. Fucking lie. It's a fucking lie. Watch this video. I don't do so guy here now. Eba here na anu na eme. Oh yeah.